Hi guys, here's May from OKE Storage. Welcome to OKE Pallet racking manufacturer in Nanjing. Are you facing challenges of limited warehouse space and inefficient storage? We have the solution for you. In today's competitive business environment, maximizing warehouse space utilization is crucial. However, you may be dealing with improper storage and wasted space. We understand your pain points. We offer a range of high-quality warehouse pallet racking products. Whether you need heavy-duty racks, folding racks, or customized solutions, we can meet your requirements. Our pallet racking systems are designed to handle heavy loads, provide flexibility, and ensure durability, allowing you to maximize your warehouse space. Let us show you some success stories from our satisfied customers. After implementing our warehouse pallet racking, they have achieved improved storage efficiency. Their houses are now organized and efficient in storing and retrieving goods. Customer satisfaction is our goal. Our warehouse pallet racking stands out in terms of quality, reliability, and flexibility. Our products are meticulously designed and manufactured to withstand heavy loads and cater to different warehouses' needs. If you want to learn more about our products and service, please contact us immediately.